Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 12.3 question number 8. Question number 8 one is if z equal to 10 find the value of z cube minus 3 z minus 10. Let us find the value. The first one is z cube minus 3 z minus 10. That will be equal to z cube. The value of z is 10. 10 to the power cube. Let us write first the term. First write the term here. Let us first find the term, that is z cube. That is z cube minus 3z minus into minus is plus 30. That is, we are getting z cube minus 3z plus 30, right? Or you can find the value of z also.